Top 5 songs on this day in history, November 6th. Year 1965. Song, Get Off of My Cloud by the Rolling Stones. This rock anthem by the Rolling Stones reached number 1, cementing their place in rock history with its rebellious tone and catchy rhythm. Year 1971. Song, Gypsies, Tramps and Thieves by Cher. Cher's iconic hit reached number 1, showcasing her unique style and marking one of her greatest musical successes. Year 1982. Song, Up Where We Belong by Joe Cocker and Jennifer Warnes. This powerful duet from the movie An Officer and a Gentleman topped the charts and won an Academy Award for Best Original Song. Year 1993. Song, I'd Do Anything for Love, But I Won't Do That by Meat Loaf. Meat Loaf's epic ballad reached number 1, combining rock and theatrical storytelling in a way that captivated audiences. Year 2004. Song, My Boo by Usher and Alicia Keys. This duet reached number 1 on the Billboard Hot 100, becoming a beloved R&B classic and highlighting the vocal talents of both artists. Which aspect interests you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments. For more history insights and compelling stories, subscribe, like, and share.